Hello everybody, Jim Ballard here. This is my 5th installment of my barrel making video series. This video is all about going to silver and buffing, making us a set of brand new bands. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to speed her up. Get this nice and warm. We'll get this first coat on, and with it warm, we're going to rub it in to all the pores. It's almost like we're staining, but I really want to get this first coat on and deep. Speed it back up, warm it up, dry the paint, slow it back down. You'll see what it looks like. Okay, now one more time. This needs to dry. It's good and dry. Now let's buff it to a shine. Crank it all the way up. Got a nice shine. This is the beginning of the barrel and brand new bands. Well, that's all for this video. Next video, we're going to take those brand new bands and we're going to age them like they've been in the rick house for many years. As always, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, share, and ring that bell for notifications of future videos. Till next time, I'm Jim Ballard. See ya.